Hello, hello, hello. It's SalonDivaV in the place to be, my garden. And today, y'all, we are doing a garden walkthrough. So it is May, and we're gonna go around this garden so you guys can see the good. Oh, look at the butterfly. Did y'all get him? Did y'all get him? I barely got him. We're gonna go around the garden and check out what's growing and what's not supposed to be growing. So right here we have our grape vine that's growing right here, and I'm realizing I did not look at here. We're not sharing no grapes with the neighbors. We're trying to go through the fence. No sir, we are not having that. We only need grapes for, oh, what is that? There's always something in your damn garden. Okay, so let's swing him around over here. And I apologize for the shakiness. I gotta find out what kind of bug that was and why is it on my grapevine. So that is the grapevine. Still haven't figured out what to do with this asparagus situation right here. This is Angelica. She is thriving. Of course, Angelica comes back every year. She said, don't count me out. Angelica is an angel trumpet for all the new people that don't know. I am getting some figs, y'all, off of the tree that I counted out last year, y'all. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Yes, I am getting some figs, y'all, some figs. I thought this tree was gone last year, but she proved me wrong. So I ain't mad at her. This is another fig tree. Don't have any buds yet, but I am grateful. This is our crepe myrtle. Not crepe myrtle. This is our crab apple tree right here. It's a pink flowering crab apple. This is a blueberry that has not given me any blueberries, but it's okay. And I need to come out here and put my labels on my trees. This is another blueberry. I just bought this blueberry a couple of weeks ago and added him in. That is a cherry tree. That is Cherry. His name is Cherry. He has not come back yet, but he did that to me before and he came back, so I'm not counting him out just yet. This is my pomegranate tree. Look at that. Look at that stalk, y'all. Look at that. I mean, well, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Just growing big and luscious. This is another blueberry. These are pink lemonade blueberry trees, y'all. So this is my mayhaw tree. That is Lorraine. That's her name. That is another blueberry back over here. And this is a crepe myrtle right here. Oh, come in the garden and fighting bugs. This is Karina. This is my Meyer lemon tree. This is a calamandan tree that I grew from a seed. So, as you guys can see, it is doing great. So this is the tree section, all the fruit trees. Still have not found a name for this section just yet. But we're gonna come over to this section right here. We have our basil. We have our Jamaican sorrel or roselle, as some folks call it. This is some mint right here. Since I moved this raspberry over here in the sun, it is starting to do much better. And there goes those bugs again. Y'all see them? Let me see. There he go right there. What is that, y'all? What is that? So the the raspberry is doing much better. Since we put him over here. That's the eggplant. And we are going to propagate him just like Led told us to do. Maybe tomorrow or Saturday. Or maybe Sunday. Maybe I might spend my Mother's Day in the garden. Who knows? Mint. This one that's hiding is a mulberry. And then down here is a squash. So yeah, moving over along is okra and weeds. So yes, the rain, we've been having constant rain and flooding in some areas here in Texas. So yeah, the weeds are a beast. Speaking of weeds, they're almost taller than me. So yeah, this is the bad part of the garden. There is the land of the trees. Still need a name. Any suggestions? Y'all let me know. And then this is the weeds. And then if you come over here in this section, look how pretty that is. All right, so we're gonna move back along over here. And this section right here, that is our pineapple, our celery, our green onions. This is some arugula. I harvested the rosemary the other day and dehydrated it. So, and put it in the cabinet ready for use. And y'all just weeds and grass trying to take over at every turn. And bugs, good Lord. Okay, let's see. I need to really get that. Some more arugula that's going to seed. And this is, so this is my kids. This is my oldest daughter, well, the middle daughter, Lavender. This is Fred and Leroy's plants. Fred grew watermelon, and then Leroy grew corn, but Leroy corn ain't corning. So Leroy might have to plant something else. All right, so that's that. This is my pink lady apple tree. She ain't pink lady, and I don't know what's wrong with her. I put some chamomile at the bottom, put her in a bigger pot. I know y'all gonna come for me talking about she need to be in the ground, but I don't want to put her in the ground. I'm not that secure with this weather yet. All right, a mess. Don't judge me. Okay, so this section right here, we have a melon right there. We have a squash right here. Moving over to this section, celery, more rosemary, my lemon balm. This was, I don't forgot. Let's see, the tag is in here. When we got that rain, this is bergamot. When we got that rain, y'all, this just went crazy. Arugula that's going to seed. This is honeydew melon that has given me lots of flowers, but no melon. All right, so let's pick these up. Bell pepper. Up. My watermelon. More watermelon that's coming. Oh, God. Okay. I don't know if that was a bee or a bug, but I get out the way of all of them. If you guys can see, the watermelon right there. Another one right here. So they are coming up. I need to take these out of here. All right. This is another watermelon. This one is, oh, we have some more in this section. This was my original ones that I grew from seed. And then I planted some more. They're starting to come up. And this one is a black diamond watermelon. And then I have some more in here that I'm growing. This right here, y'all, is a hot mess. Yeah, I don't even want to deal with that right now. Moving on down to this bed right here. This is my beans that I'm growing. The celery, what's the name of this? Carrots in this section right here. My mustard greens that are starting to go to seed now. And y'all, look at this. I got a bell pepper, y'all. A big one that's growing. We have some tomatillos. And right here we have some banana peppers that's growing. This section here, y'all know my tomatoes. It is, whew. All I can say is the tomatoes is tomatoing. This section right here, those are my sweet tomato vines, and them damn ants then came in this section. They migrated to over here. Yeah, cabbage. Let's move on. This is, I done forgot what I planted here. But it is growing. I'm gonna put the name on the screen. Garlic. Broccoli. We have some broccoli growing. Back there on the wall is the cucumbers. I had to cut the cucumbers off that was growing because all the rain, they started to get big and yellow really quick. So I cut them off. I'm gonna be adding them to the compost pile. More weeds in this section. This part here is overwhelming. I keep looking at these Brussels sprouts saying that I'm gonna do something with them and never do. This section right here, I pulled out all of the spinach and reseeded it with some new spinach. And that's some Swiss chard that's growing. Here are my greens. And then this section is the potatoes, the snackable bell peppers, more greens, and here is another. Look at these leaves, y'all, just horrible. This is a cucumber that I probably need to cut off. And that's the only one more. Carrots. Look at this giant celery. I harvested some of this yesterday. We had some wings. Tuesday we had wings. So I have my own celery for the wings. The lettuce down there. This lettuce going to seed. I'm going to pull that up in a minute. And then over here to this section. Mirliton, beans, ginger. So yeah, that is, and then the grow table over here, we have a bunch of stuff. Swiss chard, tomatoes, more roselle, stuff that needs to be emptied because it's sitting in water, getting too much water. Gosh. Yeah. So Now that I've shown you the garden, oh, this is my little sitting section. I'm getting this together. Sit out and just chill and relax. I added my little not grill, it's a little heater, whatever you want to call it, for those cold nights when you want to sit out and chill, light the fire. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, this is the garden. Some of it is a mess, but it's still producing. And I forgot some things, like this one here. This is tulips, and it produced some beautiful tulips just about 2 months ago, and so it'll produce again. Banana peppers, we just did a harvest on this. Pineapple, of course. So yeah, y'all, it looks like it's time for another harvest of these banana peppers. Look at that, look how pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna move Mr. God dog it. I'm gonna move Mr. Owl right there to another section of the garden so he can do what he's supposed to do. And yeah, y'all, there y'all have it, the good, the bad, and the ugly of the garden. But it's mostly good because we eating. So yeah, I'm gonna jump into action. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Share me with your family and your friends. Click on all my notifications. No. And go. Thanks for watching. Y'all have an amazing day. Share me with your family and your friends. Check out my social media websites listed below. Also, my Amazon links are listed below. And until I see you guys in the next video, I'm SalonDivaV, in the place to be, y'all. My garden. And you know what it is. Peace.